Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Game updated, DLC active, and your character meets recommended level. Do that now. Once done, head straight to the crafting station and verify the Lightbreak recipe is unlocked. This saves wasted materials later. While you travel, gather baseline components, 3 ore, 2 catalysts, and 1 rare shard. These let you begin the synthesis immediately. Make sure inventory has space, and double-check resource counts so you can proceed to the next, more complex steps without interruption. You now craft the base longsword by combining 3 ore, 2 catalysts, and 1 shard at the station. Press confirm to begin synthesis. After the base appears, invest 5 enhancement cores and 10 crafting flux to refine stats. This increases damage and durability. Once refined, use the socket or infusion menu to add the Lightbreak trait or desired elemental affinity. Choose the option that complements your build. Make sure to compare stat previews before applying. This prevents consuming scarce cores on suboptimal results. You finish by applying 2 polishing oils and a binding rune to lock the Lightbreak trait onto the longsword. This secures bonuses and prevents accidental loss. Once bound, take the weapon into a short combat trial to confirm the Lightbreak effect, damage numbers, and handling feel. Adjust gear if necessary. If the infusion fails or the trait doesn't appear, reclaim up to 50% of materials through the salvage menu. Then reattempt with alternative runes or slightly higher refinement. That troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.